Back with another video for my Addict Blogging channel. So I have the Nothing Phone 1, and in this phone you will be seeing the recorder widget which helps you to record calls if required, and definitely this widget has been recently added, and obviously you will get the widget in the widget section which is in the Nothing OS 2.5.5, and the same widget you can get in the OnePlus Nord C4 also. And for that you don't need to install any of the apps out there. You can get that widget instantly on that phone. So in this video we will see how we can activate the recorder widget on the OnePlus Nord C4, and as always this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are enthusiastic don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the recorder widget, you don't need to install any app, and this widget comes with the OnePlus Nord C4 itself. If you are using this phone or any OnePlus phones, you just need to have a phone with Oxygen OS 14, and this feature you can add up to the OnePlus phones. So for this you need to just go to the home screen and see what are the options in the widgets you will be getting. Obviously in the widgets you will not get any of the recorder widget. So for this you need to tap and hold on the home screen and go to the more option, and in here you will get a lot of options. You just need to go to swipe down on home screen and select the shelf feature. The shelf feature is all about the quick menus or quick settings which you will be getting once you are activating this feature. And once you swipe down you will be getting a lot of options like the clock, weather, and every single thing like the step count or some other widgets. And here you can add the recorder widget also. To get a recorder widget you need to click on this plus option, and in the plus option if you scroll down you will get this recorder, and you just need to click on add, and once you click on add the recorder widget will be there. So you just need to bring it to the top, and once you bring it to top you just swipe down and start the recorder widget anytime. So this will also record the calls if required, and you can also mark the markings in the recorder widget. So if I tap on this you will see the recorder app will be started, and obviously this is a really nice widget to have. Once the recorder is done you can just click on this pause option and the recorder will be saved, or you can just tap on this and click on save to save it manually. So this is a really great feature, and you can obviously record calls with this feature on this phone. Definitely you should be aware that this should not bring any privacy concerns in both parties if you are recording any of the calls out there. That's it guys, I just wanted to show you about the recorder widget and how to bring it on your OnePlus Nord C4. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.